QueryCoach connects your payments, calendar, and video tools in one place. Set them up once, and your bookings run on autopilot. Let's do it. Click the settings icon to open your settings. Click Integrations. This is where you connect your payments, your calendar, and your video tools. Let's start with getting paid. Click Connect on Stripe, and it'll take you over to Stripe to link your account. Pick your account, hit Connect, and you're back on QueryCoach with Stripe showing as connected. That's it. You're ready to take payments from your clients. Next up, your calendar. This is so your bookings land on your real schedule automatically. You can connect one calendar or two, a primary one where new appointments are saved, and a secondary one will still check for conflicts. Let's connect Google first. And quick note, our Google Calendar integration is officially verified by Google. You're redirected straight back. Google Calendar connected. Outlook connect. Now Outlook. You can use a Gmail or an Outlook address here. I'll use Gmail again. And just like Google, our Outlook integration is officially verified by Microsoft. Zoom. Connect this, and a Zoom link gets created automatically for every booking. It's verified by Zoom too. One thing to keep in mind, depending on how long your sessions run, you might need a paid Zoom plan, but the free one works for shorter calls. Back on settings. Now, Calendar and Zoom are completely optional. If you've connected more than one calendar, head to Booking Settings and Add Bookings To lets you choose which one receives your appointments. We still check conflicts across all of them. Which video link does your client actually get when they book? Here's the simple rule. If you've set a custom meeting URL, that always wins. It overrides everything. No custom link? If Zoom's connected, they get a Zoom link. And if not, it falls back to Google Meet. Google Meet links auto-generated if Google Calendar connected. Set it up once and your bookings just work. Try QueryCoach free today.